斯普新 machinery. This is a brief introduction for the use manual. Okay, before you start using the machine, you will need to prepare one scale, digital scale for accuracy. Okay, and you need your drums for just the calibration until we find the suitable filling time and the suitable filling volume. Okay. This is the home page. We have already helped you settle according to your drums. This is a larger drum. We do not suggest you change anything. The date we do also set where. Now we're testing using the 500 millimeter as the trial. Connect the first step, connect the power supply, and the second step, entering the manual page, and press cleaning 1 and cleaning 2. This function is to fast cleaning entire machine, and the main purpose to do such behavior, that is to pull off all the air filled in the hose tube. Because too much air in the hose tube, it will affect our filling accuracy. So after cleaning the machine, it means all inside the pipe has been filled by your plunger, not the air. So that next step, we can start calibrate the filling volume. Entering the date page, you can find the filling volume 1 and the filling volume 2. Okay? So other parts you no need to change, just focusing on this part, because just as I mentioned, we use 500 millimeter as the trial volume. According to your final filling volume maybe exceed 500 millimeter, you can expand to 800, 900. This part is the main ideal volume you want to get, and this part is a composite volume. For example, because in the world, there didn't have two accurate, 100% accurate same thing. So even the two rotor pump back the side, even the two rotor pump inside do also have some slight difference. For example, the pipe is shorter or longer, or the space is larger or minor. So this composite volume is just to help you to by manually to adjust these two filling volume exactly the same, 100% the same. Okay. For example, now you test to trial this. You said 500 millimeter, but finally this just get 496 millimeter, and this one get 502 millimeter. Then you just increase 4 millimeter composite to filling volume 1. So that it can reach 500 millimeter as you said. And the second one, you said 500 liter, but finally only 502. Now you need to deduct 2 here. So finally it will properly get 500 millimeter. This machine, all the parameter we have already helped you set where. What else you need to do is just as I mentioned above. Let me sum up again. First one, number 1, connect the power supplier to make the machine ready to running. Number 2, just go to the manual page to press cleaning 1 and cleaning 2. Cleaning the machine, let all the material, your plunger, filled with the hose tube and pull out all the air in the hose tube. And number 3, go to the date parameter, set what the volume you want to get, and filling trial. Try filling by the digital scale to know what airs increase or deduct according to the real filling condition. That's all. Hope can do you a favor.斯普新 machinery.